Welcome to my mini vlog!
Hello guys! So today we're gonna pack something for what that's means for here for Garcia that Rockman for Rockma, joke lang. It's not Rockma, it's just nothing secret, not gonna tell. It's a big. As can siya big because nothing. Just a big box because she ordered big. First, wait. Hindi ba naman? She ordered. It's a girl, okay. She ordered. Tagalogin ko na lang. Umorder siya ng ano ba yun? 20 pieces na photocard. Bini. As can you see, I have so many photocard. But there are some random photocard. It's the Bini 60 pieces. 60. So this is 68. 68 pieces na yan. So ordered 20 pieces. Wait lang nga guys. Wait lang. Okay, now this is the 20. This is the photocards. As you can see, umunti na agad siya. 20 pa naman. 68 yun. So she ordered stickers. Pisa lang to isa guys. So she ordered 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. And she had freebies. This is my freebies box. Here, you can look at it. This is a crab. I have a duplicate of this Hello Kitty. And there's the turtle. Yeah, turtle and Kuromi. Yes. Feeling ko yan. Yan. Ito. Yan lang. Bibigyan ko siya freebies kasi this. I need pala ng box.